This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about toaster bags, specifically these Bag Tek craft plastic toaster bags. And we've got the set here that comes with 3 sizes. These are a really unique, non-stick, heat-resistant, and semi-disposable bag that you can use to reheat items like toast, sandwiches, pastries, and a variety of other foods. The set includes the small, which is 6.5 by 6.25, medium, which is 7.5 by 6.75, and the large size, which is 8.75 by 8 inches. So you're getting all 3 of those sizes in the set. So the bags can be purchased as a set, which includes all 3 sizes, or they can be purchased separately as well. So you can just order the size that you need if you only need one, which is fantastic. These bags can be used in the microwave, the freezer, the toaster, ovens, on griddles, and presses as well. And you can see they've got nice little handles up there. They're easy to open and slip whatever you need to inside, and it's ready to go. So they're a non-stick, grease-proof, and also semi-disposable. You can get up to 50 uses out of each bag. And they're made from PTFE-coated fiberglass. They're also BPA-free, and they can withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees, making them really versatile little units, especially if you're looking to do some prep ahead of service times. So these are going to be great to use for pre-made snacks and sandwiches that need to be warmed up later. They're dishwasher safe as well, making for a quick and easy cleanup between uses. So these are a fantastic little item for cafes to easily pre-prepare things like sandwiches and other foods that can then be quickly and easily reheated during service times. And they're also great for doing things like preparing your lunches to take either to the school or to the office for quick and easy reheating.